In this video, I will show you how you can delete your Microsoft Edge browsing history. Let's get started. Open Edge browser. After that, click on three dot. Now click on history. Here it shows you all the history of yours. Click on recycle bin. First, set the time range which you want. I'm going with all time because I want to clear all my browsing data from Edge. And then check the check boxes: browsing history, download history, cookies, cache, password, autofill, site permission. Just click on clear now. This will delete all the browsing data from Microsoft Edge browser. Let's check. Again click on three dot and then click on history. As you see, this time there is no history of mine. Thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks.